The Brevo integration is designed to be super lightweight and fast. Once the API key is connected, all your form submission will start syncing directly into your Brevo contact list. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, we need to install the Next Blocks plugin, and for that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New, and here in the search bar, type in Next Blocks. Once you spot it, click on Install Now, and then hit Activate. Set! The free version is now up and running. Now, here's the scoop. The form block is a freemium widget. That means while you get a taste of its capabilities in the free version, to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to Nexter Pro. And before you doubt a little, trust me, it will all be worth it. At the moment, I'm on Nexter's pricing page. And here you can see that there are different plans available for Nexter Pro. Each plan is designed to cater to various needs. So take a moment to review all the features and determine which one aligns best with your requirements. Now onto the checkout page. Here Nexter offers a variety of payment options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal or other available methods, choose the one that suits you best, and once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the license key and the plugin zip file right here on the checkout page. Download them and we will proceed to install and activate Nexter Pro onto your WordPress site. Here, simply we'll need to navigate to Plugins, then Add New and click on Upload Plugin. Select the zip file and click on Install Now, and after installation, activate the plugin. Further, to finalize the setup, go to Nexter Blocks, Dashboard, click on Activate Pro and paste your license key into the activation field and click on Activate. Set! And just like that, we've unlocked the full suite and of course the Nexter Blocks Pro features. Now, let's activate the form block itself. In your dashboard, head over to Nexter Blocks, then Blocks, and here you can see a list of all the available blocks. Find the form block, toggle it on, and don't forget to hit on Save Settings. That's it. You're now all set to integrate this powerful tool into your pages and elevate your site's interactivity. Let's set up the next one in our list, which is Brevo. Previously known as Sendinblue, if you're already using Brevo for email marketing or transactional emails, this integration is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Alright, so after you've selected Brevo from the dropdown, you will notice a new field pop up here. Don't worry, just like before, we are going to walk through how to get this API key step by step. First up, head over to your Brevo account, click on the profile icon at the top right, then go into SMTP and API. From here, switch to the API keys tab, and if you have already got a key, just copy it or click on generate a new API key if you want a fresh one. Now, once you have the key, simply come back and paste it into the API key field right here in the form settings inside our form. And that's it. The job is done. The Brevo integration is designed to be super lightweight and fast. Once the API key is connected, all your form submission will start syncing directly into your Brevo contact list. And one little thing to keep in mind, the contacts are usually added to your default Brevo list unless you have set up some segmentation rules on the Brevo site. But talking about the Nexter end, there is no extra setup needed. Easy, right?